Hey, in this video we're going to be discussing the PGY Hard case for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified when we got new videos. Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Greetings from the Chattahoochee National Forest. We are deep, way off the grid, way away from cell phones, and barely keeping on with GPS. This is so deep and the foliage is so dense right now. Mid-October, still in shorts, and it's a bit cold. So, hey, today we're going to be discussing the PGYTECH really hard case. And this is actually custom built for a DJI Mini 3 Pro. It's beautiful, actually. We'll lay it down on the back of the Gladiator here and we'll go through it in depth. But it is laser cut for everything all about the Mini 3 Pro. You know, paid a lot of money for the Mini 3 Pro, about $900 and then another couple $100 for the accessories. It did come with a little kind of squishy bag. I'm sure that's fine for hiking, but I'm out here deep. We're out here. We've got stuff moving around. I want some protection, and then if I want to fly, I want some protection as well. So this thing is great. It's about 6 pounds. Let's go ahead and lay it down and get to it. All right, if we look at the case as a whole, when you're just looking at it, I mean, it's pretty simple. Looks like your basic hard case. Pretty simple. It's got a nice handle. It's got some silicone behind the handle. I'll give you a thing. One thing it does have I like is this pressure release valve that's automated. You don't have to do anything with it, so nothing's going to build up in the case. But I'm not sure what kind of compound this is, but you can literally stand on it. Here's a picture of me actually standing on this thing. It's got 2 lock holes in the front, and it perfectly holds all of this and this. So this is all my gear. So let's open this thing up and take a look. So, some cases have double latches. This has just got a single latch. It is plastic. I know some people are going to say some things. I looked at a bunch of cases out there. This looks pretty good. For what I'm doing out here in the middle of nowhere, it's a good case. And it has everything I need. So when we open it up, we got a nice egg crate on the top. We got a place for the remote control. We got a battery pack recharger. We got all the batteries. We've got a place for our freewheel piece to go right here as well for all of our filters. And then we've got an open area and then the place for the drone. So let's load this thing up and see what it looks like. So first things first, let's just put the drone in, and it just fits right in there. So that's where our DJI Mini 3 Pro goes. Fits perfectly in there. You can get straps to go around this if you want. I haven't done that yet. This is a place for all your batteries, so it's nice and snug. Just load it up, get it nice and tight in there, so it's perfectly loaded in. And then we'll put our case in. So nice and tight as we move around. We'll go ahead and put our filters in. They fit perfectly in the slot. And then if we want to, we can just throw all of our replacement propellers in here, that and all the pieces. So I haven't really figured out what to put over on this side. So I've been putting some cables that we got left over, and I've got some SD cards and some cleaning supplies. Not really a lot, but just a little to go through it. And obviously the last thing here is we have the RC controller. This is the nice one with the integrated display. And you can just put that in there like so. If you want, you can take these off. If not, they just go right in. And you just pop it down, latch it up. It sits up nicely. It'll sit up like so. I say that, and it ends up falling over. So if you put it on a flat surface, it'll sit up, but it also sits nicely, and you can move it around. So it's a great little thing. I paid about $100 for this on Amazon. Got here in a couple days. I'd highly recommend it. If you're not looking at this one, they didn't sponsor. I paid for it, but make sure you get some protection for all of that investment you just made into your drone. So with that said, hey, I want to thank everybody for taking the time. Hey, if you like this kind of content, go ahead and click that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified when we got new content available. Again, I hope everybody enjoys the backdrop of the Chattahoochee National Forest. Thanks for your time. Have a great weekend.